This is a law of attraction secret that honestly works so well, and how I manifested $100,000 in my first 12 months of business many years ago, and how you can do the same. So let's go through element number one. And element number one is really about being in the right business. Now, when I got started, I knew that I needed to be passionate about what I do. And you want to be in the same place. You want to be passionate about what you do. You want to enjoy what you do. And you want to believe in what you do. So for me, that was getting into a coaching business actually under my first mentor, Bob Proctor. And that really helped me really be passionate about helping people, enjoying personal development, and believing in what I had in front of me, mindset and personal development overall. So once I had that covered, once I found the right business and what I love to do on a daily basis, number two, I started to focus on the abundance mindset. I'm sure you've heard of this before, especially if you're not new to our YouTube channel here. But what we want to do in this abundance is simplify it. You want to find evidence that there's abundance around you right now before things change. Doesn't have to be financially, it could be anything out there. Letter B, strong motivation. My strong motivation was to become a top coach at Bob Proctor's when I got started. That was like everything to me. And then letter C, doing the daily work. So watching the YouTube videos, practically applying everything, all of that. Once I started to work on the abundance mindset, here's really important. Number three is I focused on high impact actions. A lot of people, when they're in business or even when they're in jobs, they're focusing on the stuff that doesn't matter. High impact actions create revenue. So the three things I focused on were scheduling appointments with potential clients. This is for any business. Scheduling appointments is critical. Doing those appointments was letter B. And then letter C, actually doing the client service, helping my clients, fulfilling my product, fulfilling my service, right? But I only focused on that. Number four was super crucial though at the same time. I had support. I had a mentor, I had a system, and I had a soul tribe. Now, how I did that was I bought in various programs with Bob Proctor and another business mentor. So I actually got the business knowledge, the marketing knowledge, and how to actually move things forward. At the time, I was charging $3,500 per client. But again, if this is for you and you're not in a coaching business, that's okay. For any service business out there, charge anything you want. What I had to get was 28 clients in the year, which is about just over 2 clients per month. So that was my intention. That's the only things I focused on. Getting in the right business, the abundance mindset, focusing on high impact actions, and making sure I had support so that I could get 2 clients per month. It's really that simple. Make sure you follow me for more for these kind of tips, and I'll go into also how we've done 50,000, even 100,000 in a day.